Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Royal Match step by step. Adding friends in Royal Match enhances your gaming experience by enabling you to share lives, exchange cards, and participate in team events together. First of all, open up the Royal Match app on your device and tap on the leaderboard icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, make sure that you've selected Friends and then selected Add Friends. In the text box, type in your friend's user ID. Your friend's user ID will be a mix of letters and numbers. Type it down in the text box. After typing it down, click on Search. If this is a valid user ID, your friend will be listed beneath, and you can then tap the Add Friend button to invite them to the game. You can also invite friends that are not on the game by tapping Invite Friends button and then select any messaging applications or email, or you can also choose your friend directly and send them the invite link. Once they accept your link and joins into the game, you'll be able to play together. So that's how you can easily add and invite friends in Royal Match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.